finding a shop. Can you recommend a good clothes shop? There's a great shopping center just around the corner. Is there a pharmacy or supermarket nearby? The nearest one is a few blocks away. Where can I buy some toothpaste? You can buy it here in the hotel. Where's the nearest shopping center? You can find one in the city center. Opening hours. What time do you open, please? We're open 24/7. What time do you close, please? We're closed at lunchtime between 12 and 2 p.m. What are your opening hours? Our opening hours are from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Are you open all day? We're open 24/7. Are you open on Sundays? We're open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Friday. Can or may I help you? What color would you like? What size are you? Is there anything else I can help you with? Would you like to try it on? How does it fit? How about this one? Would you like anything else? I'm afraid that's the only color we have. Sorry, we don't have them here. I have exactly what you are looking for. This one is on sale right now. It comes with a 1-year guarantee. The fitting room is that way. This is, or they are, $50. You can get a refund if you keep the receipt and bring it back within 1 month. Let's look at some questions and answers made by the customers. Excuse me, do you work here? Could you help me, please? I'm looking for a pink sweater. Could you tell me where the fitting room is, please? How much is it? How much does this cost? Do you sell books? Do you have this in another color? Do you have a smaller or a bigger size? Does it come with a warranty or guarantee? Where is the fitting room? Where can I weigh my groceries? Do you have a refund policy? I don't need any help. I'm just browsing. Thanks. That's a good value. Oh, that's expensive. That's not exactly what I'm looking for. I'll take this one, please. That's a little over my budget. Whoa, that's cheap. No, I'm just looking. Thanks. That's quite reasonable. It's too long, too short. It's too big, too small. This fits me perfectly, thanks. I'll take it. Listen to the text and answer the questions. Listening. Mrs. Smith is going shopping with her son. They are looking for a present for Mr. Smith's birthday. Mrs. Smith wants to buy him a new camera and Tom wants to buy him a jumper. They drive to the department store on the high street. Mrs. Smith uses the elevator to go to the electrical department on the 3rd floor, and Tom takes the stairs up to the men's clothing department on the 1st floor. When she gets to the electrical department, she finds that cameras are actually in the photography department on the ground floor. She takes the elevator down and asks the sales assistant there for some help. She doesn't know much about cameras and needs some advice. He recommends an automatic camera by Olympus, but it is too expensive. She asks him if he has anything a little cheaper, and he tells her about a special offer on the Pentax range. It still seems expensive, so she thanks the assistant and decides to shop around first. Meanwhile, Tom is looking at the jumpers. He only has £10 to spend, so he can't afford most of them. He sees his mother, and they decide to go to the smaller shops round the corner.